Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to make your Twitter account public. Now, we all know what Twitter is, and let's say you want to make it public. There are different reasons why people want to make their account public. Let's look at some of them. Now, you might want to make your account public to increase visibility so that your tweets can be seen by a wider audience, potentially reaching new followers and increasing your brand awareness. You might also want to make it public so that you can connect with people in your industry, potential clients or like-minded individuals, which means you're trying to open up networking opportunities. You might also be doing this to build your brand, because a public account allows you to establish your brand identity and voice. You can also do this to share your opinions and insights to a larger audience. And lastly, maybe you want to engage with your followers and create a community around your interests if you're building a good community. These are some of the reasons why you might want to make your Twitter account public. If this is so, I'm going to walk you through how to get it done. So let's get started. Now, I do not have a Twitter account, so I'm going to use this method. But you have a Twitter account, so just follow this step and I can show you it will work. The first thing you do is open up your Twitter account or Twitter app. If you're on the browser, type in Twitter, open it up, and log into your account. Then once you're in your account, you go to settings and privacy. Now, how do you get settings and privacy? Simple, tap on your profile picture in the top left corner and select settings and privacy. Then from this menu of settings and privacy, you choose privacy and safety. Now, when you tap onto privacy and safety, it's will get options that says protect your tweets. It's a box there. What you do is uncheck that box. Once you've unchecked that option labeled protect your tweets, it means that your tweets are now visible to everyone on Twitter, regardless of whether they follow you or not. That is the easiest way to make your Twitter account public. Note, though, that there might be some problems that can come from this. What do I mean? By making your Twitter account public, you've opened yourself up to some potential risks. For example, your tweets can now be seen by anybody, including potential employers, family, or friends. And some of our tweets are not really should not really be exposed to this set of people. So, if you're the kind of person that makes up tweets, be careful about making your Twitter account public. Also, you open yourself up to negative comments or criticism based on your tweets. You are definitely going to get negative feedbacks if you make your account public. Then the next one, managing a public account can be time consuming, as you may need to respond to comments and messages. So, it's like having a commitment to time. You have to commit your time to it if you make your account public. Also, cyberbullying. You may be targeted by trolls or cyberbullies if you make your Twitter account public. You also expose yourself to being misinterpreted. What do I mean? Your tweets may be misinterpreted or taken out of context. But ultimately, the decision to make a Twitter account public depends on your personal goals and comfort level.